We will learn about eclipses. Now read. Eclipses are examples of the formation of shadows in nature. Okay, this is the natural satellite of Earth. Here right side there is a Earth and left side there is a moon. There are two kinds of eclipses, lunar and solar eclipse. Lunar means Chandra Grahan and solar eclipse means Surya Grahan. In fact, all planets and satellites cast their shadow in space. Okay, this is the space. Now what happens? Let's see. After rotating exploser, what happens? Sun comes. Okay, sun gives lights to the earth, but because of high light moon in daytime we can't see as same as at night. Okay, so at night moon not having proper light. Okay, so sun gives light to the moon and that light gives to the earth. Now we have to describe both things. Okay, first thing is lunar eclipse. What lunar eclipse? Lunar eclipse occurs on a certain full moon night. Okay, it means lunar means reflection of moon. Okay, so if there is certain full night when the earth comes in between sun and the moon, so that the earth casts its shadow on the moon. Okay, let's see from the picture. Okay, lunar eclipse uh, occurs. Okay, this is the penumbra, umbra and again penumbra. Okay, so here it is partial lunar eclipse. Okay, not full. Here it is written certain full moon night. Okay, this is the moon. Okay, so what happens? Earth comes in between the sun and the moon. Earth is there, sun is there and moon is there, but earth comes in between sun and the moon. What it does, it casts its shadow on the moon. Okay, here it is moon, so shadow also we can see here. The shadow, what it is the opaque object. Okay, the shadow comes when opaque object is there. The earth is an opaque object. Okay, and this sun gives lights to the earth, but earth is the opaque object, so the earth shadows reflects on the moon. Okay, so any satellite and planets can do this. So we can see the umbra, in between there is a umbra, and in upper part if it extends the light, penumbra is there in upper level, and we can say in the lower level also. Here we can say partial lunar eclipse. We can having different shapes of moon. Okay, so we learn more about that. Here it is the red circle is there. Okay, what is there? Yes, the reflection of shadow. Okay, so we can see total lunar eclipse. Okay, if there is a partial lunar eclipse, then shadow different. Okay, then there is a full moonlight, then the shadow is different. So it is here, it is named penumbra, umbra and again penumbra. Okay, let's read more. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs on a certain new moon day. Okay, that we seen in lunar eclipse certain full moon night. This is full moon day. Okay, new moon day when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. In lunar eclipse, what happened? Earth comes in between earth and moon. Okay, sorry, sun and moon. Earth comes in between. Now it is moon comes in between sun and the earth, so that the moon casts its shadow on the earth. In lunar eclipse, earth casts the shadow on the moon. Now moon casts the shadow on the earth. This is the full moon day. Let's see, sun gives light to the earth, but in between moon comes. So this is sun. Okay, so what happens? Solar eclipse occurs on certain moon day. Okay, moon day, we can say Poonam, right? Moon comes in between the sun and the earth, so that moon casts its shadow. This is the moon and this is the earth. In between shadow is there. Okay, we can see new moon day. So we can see more. Okay, this is umbra. Okay, shadow object. Moon, here what happened? Moon is the object. Okay, so umbra and penumbra shows. Now let's see more. Lastly, we can see an annular solar eclipse. An annular solar eclipse occurs when only the tip of the umbra of the moon falls just short of making contact with the earth. The sun will appear to be entirely obstructed by the moon. Okay, only the outer rim of the sun, called the ring of fire, is then visible for a very short time, which is known as the diamond ring. Okay, interesting. Let's see again. Here sun. Okay, moon is come. Lunar eclipse, earth is comes between sun and the moon, and in solar eclipse moon comes between sun and the earth. Okay, so first of all we seen lunar eclipse when there is a certain moon night, and in solar eclipse new moon day. Okay, now annual solar eclipse, what happens, let's see from the picture. This is the sun. Okay, lunar eclipse comes, the sun gives light to the earth, in between moon is there. Okay, the annular eclipse, now what happens, sun disappear, sun will appear to be entirely obstructed by the moon. Okay, this is the moon. Okay, this is the opaque object. Okay, we have seen that it is sign of sun. Okay, so it is called the ring of diamond ring. This is something interesting we have learned today. Similarly topic we will learn next time.